A patio is an essential element in today's backyard. Concrete is the most popular patio material in the country. With many decorative finishes, concrete patios attract homeowners who want an outdoor surface with unlimited design potential. When compared to wood decks, pavers, and natural stone, a concrete patio is also more durable and requires less maintenance. In addition to serving as a gathering zone for lounging and entertaining, concrete patios allow homeowners to seamlessly blend interior and exterior living spaces. They are the perfect decorative flooring surface for outdoor kitchens and living rooms, complete with cozy seating areas, fireplaces, and water features. What's more, this outdoor floor offers unlimited design options. When enhanced by stains and integral colors, concrete patios can be color coordinated to match a home's exterior or landscape. They can also be stamped or engraved in patterns that mimic other popular paving materials such as brick, flagstone, slate, and tile. As an investment, concrete patios typically cost less than patios made of brick or natural stone because they are less labor-intensive to install. The lower price tag, combined with a wide array of patterns and colors available, make concrete an economical choice for most budgets. Plus, concrete is easily formed into any shape to accommodate backyard space restrictions. Upgrading your backyard with a decorative concrete patio is also an investment that will provide many years of enjoyment while improving the look of your landscape. Concrete is easy to maintain and can stand up to the harshest of weather conditions. Unlike paving stones, you won't have joints between units where grass and weeds can sprout. And unlike wood, concrete won't warp, rot, or require periodic staining. Until wood decks became so trendy a decade or so ago, most patios were made of hard materials like concrete, brick, or stone. Today, many homeowners who installed those wood decks need to replace them because of rotting or warped wood, or because they are simply fed up with the hassle of staining and sealing them every few years. Patios made of concrete or concrete pavers are making a big comeback as homeowners now realize all the benefits they were missing out on by installing wood or wood composite decking. Thanks to the design versatility of concrete, your patio will never look just like your neighbor's. And with recent advances in coloring techniques and stamping tools, patios made of poured-in-place concrete are more versatile than ever before. Concrete is easily formed into any shape, allowing you to accommodate backyard space restrictions or incorporate attractive curves. With the use of stains and other coloring methods, you can also achieve just about any hue imaginable, whether you want to match the stone facade of your house or blend in with the natural landscape. Thanks for watching. Until next time.